All right, everybody, today we got the 2026 Forest River Puma 37PFL. This unit has 43 gallon freshwater tank, 35 gray and 35 black. Let's begin and get right into it. Right over here at the front, you have huge windows to let in a lot of natural light, and we're gonna see what it looks like when we get back inside. You get two 30-pound propane tanks here. Sorry if it's a little windy here. The weight on this trailer, so your dry weight is going to be 9631, and then fully loaded, as you see your GVWR, is going to be 11749. So you can be able to put about 1600 pounds inside this trailer. Looking underneath, you do have a fully enclosed heated underbelly right over there. Rack and pinion slide system. This is a destination trailer, so right when you get to your camping spot, you could just park it and build a deck right in front of it. Lots of windows on this trailer, fully walkable roof, sliding doors, so you could put your deck right here in the front. Solid steps. On the outside here, you do have a liquid propane quick connect line right there. So you could have an outside barbecue, fireplace, etc. Sometimes if there's a fire ban happening, you can actually still have your propane fire pit going. You could just hook it up right directly to your trailer. In the back there, you do have it prepped for a backup camera, but if you are parking it, I don't know how many times you're going to end up using it. Beautiful trailer. It does have a hot water on demand tank here, and then storage space here. So this is going to be storage space. You can access it from the outside, but that just goes right underneath your bed. And it's nice because they give you an extra set of stairs here too that you could hook up for the sliding doors there. And then an outside shower with a black flush tank. So if nobody knows what that means, basically what it is it's like a like a sprinkler that goes off in your black tank, and it cleans it from top to bottom. Let's go check out the inside. Stepping up inside here, you do have a king size bed that is on the slide out, and that storage space is right underneath the bed on the other side. Huge closet here. With some storage space up top as well too. Another closet here, but you can use this for a washer dryer prep here. Some storage space up top. It's nice that they added these little small side tables here on the side of the bed, as well as storage up above. One thing I really love about Puma is how they always add this little Life's an Adventure sign right there. Walking up inside the unit. I'll get to the bathroom in a sec. But look how beautiful that is here. Unit does have opposing slides, so it's one on this side and one on that side over there with an island in the middle. Bench seating with storage space underneath. Couple key features here: power shades, triple ACs, sliding doors, solid surface countertops, upgraded faucet fixtures, full-size oven range, residential style refrigerator, washer dryer prep, Congolium 3-year cold crack warranty, and then an Alpha 35 laminated lifetime warranty. When they say lifetime, that actually means that it is a 10-year warranty. That's a nice floor plan right there. Freestanding chairs, reclining couches with some storage on top, and then this couch right here does turn into a full bed. Here, let me just snap my fingers and make that happen. Bam, there we go. So you do get a full reclining tri-fold couch that fully folds out into a bed. It's right in front of the TV there. It does have a Bluetooth stereo there too, with an electric fireplace. And then a pantry space right here with shelving. And this is what's really cool about this. Residential style stove here with a 4-burner stove. And then also as well, a huge oven. Let me get a panoramic view from this side. Close that down. Gorgeous trailer. They even give you a little fan up top. LED lighting all the way around the house. Solid surface countertops here. Stainless steel sink. And it's one of the bigger ones too as well. Right there. Residential style fridge. Oh, let's get that open. I think this is bigger than the fridge that I have at home. Right there too as well. Is that an ice maker? Let's check. It is an ice maker. That's pretty cool. Lots of storage. You can have this as a coffee countertop here. Storage there. Now, as a destination trailer, this is a 37 foot. A lot of destination trailers, they kind of creep up around the 40 foot and above. But this one is nice because it's lightweight. You could take it anywhere as well, being that it's in the 9,000, 9,500 pound range right there. Nice size finishes for your lights. And then walking back this way, you got your control panel right here. And then checking out the bathroom here. Do get a stand-up shower. Nice size toilet. And then as well some storage space in the back here. That's pretty deep too. Again, it's got 43 gallon freshwater tank, 35 gray and 35 black. Beautiful trailer. Huge awning, interior and exterior speakers. But yeah, this is the 2026 Forest River Puma 37PFL. Until next time, fam. Peace.